welcome to another video. So guys, imagine creating cinematic AI videos based on animation and even marketing content all in one platform. No switching app, no editing skill. Sound crazy, right? Today, I tested a tool called WeryAI. And honestly, this might change how content is created forever. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel, where we explore the latest AI tools and crypto opportunities. Today, we are breaking down WeryAI, a powerful all-in-one AI platform that plans to replace the multiple tools like video editors, image generation, animation software. Let's see if few ads actually worth your time or just hype. So, guys, first of all, what actually this platform is, in simple words, is all-in-one AI content creation platform where you can generate videos from text, create AI images, animate folders, do page swaps, to enhance videos to 4K. Basically, everything in one dashboard. It combines multiple AI models like playing Sora, VO into one place, and so you don't need six different subscription anymore. Very AI plus one. And that's the biggest selling point. One platform, unlimited creativity. So guys, now we are going to break down. I'm going to show you how you can use this platform. First of all, you can also check out these other features. Nana Banana, just like Wery Dash 2.0, Kling 3.0. You can also use all of the things. So first of all, let's check out how you can do the text to video. They also give you text to video here. You can also check out text to AI videos. You can also generate this type of videos. How you can generate? You just only need the prompt. You can also use the prompt from the like that ChatGPT. In just like things, you can also download the prompt from them. Let's copy and go paste to there like that. And after that, you need to click over there. That's it. Nothing too much, guys. There is a step where you will also generate your images, you will also generate your videos through your text. That's a simple method. In just few seconds, it will be done here. Let me show you how you can generate. Boom. Here, guys, you can check it out. Here is video has been generated, and you can check it out. How realistic is this? Looking so much crazier. You can also check out all of things, guys. Super duper realistic, guys. Let's check it out. They also have done an amazing job. And there's no, let's break down their second thing, which is, I think, will be image to video generator service. We are going to check it out, and here is that image effects. Also, here you can also check out literally check out the image effects here, and there are a lot of things. Now, we are going to check out image to video here. Let's go and check it out, guys. Here is everything. Now, guys, image tools are also here. You can also check out image to video. AI is also here. So, but this is also a simple. You just need to go copy the prompt from this platform over there, and you can also copy the prompt from. You can check it out, guys, from the chat. You put a different type of the things here, and you need to copy the prompt from here, like that. I have successfully copied, and now you can paste over there. When you paste your prompt over there, you need to click over there to generate option. When you click on the generate option, the videos will be done there. That's a super duper easy way to generate. This AI has realistic motion like blinking, water flow, or animation, very perfect for reels, shorts, and also for the storytelling. So as you can also try out the face swap here. Like that, all of the things are super simple here. You can also check out the face swap and AI editing tools. You can swap faces in the videos. Sonic Lip automatically removes subtitles, upscale videos to the 4K, and these tools cut editing time massively, almost 90%. This is huge for creators and the marketers. So guys, if you are into the business or crypto marketing, this is powerful. You can create a product as and move background, generate promo visual. It's designed for creators, marketers, and developer to produce professional content. Easy, that's dynamic business. So guys, after that, now we are here where AI, WeryAI stands up. All-in-one platform, no need for CapCut, no need for runway, everything inside one tool. And traditional workflow take hours, but WeryAI can reduce time to the minutes. So you don't need to edit in skill, just hype and generators. But for the both beginners and professional WeryAI, you can create short HD videos under a minute. Typically 5 to 10-second clips generate in 40 to 60 seconds. So guys, now we are going to check out, and you can also find out there are plans are also here. The free plans also were, but prettier paid plans give more speed plus features. Features will get daily queries to test everything, so you can literally start without spending anything. Now let's be clear. No tool is perfect. Short video duration, mostly 5 to 12-second clips, WeryAI news declares can burn out quickly. Some users report mixed content experience. Trust about it, but overall, it is still very powerful. This tool is perfect for YouTubers, crypto projects, marketers, dropshippers, AI content creators, freelancers, and also for if you create content, this tool can save your time and money. So does is very AI worth it? Yes. Do you want speed plus convenience? Yes, if you are creating content daily, and if you want multiple AI tools in one test, this is not just a tool. It's like having a full creative studio powered by the AI. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification and comment below which AI tool should I review next. Now, if you are in the crypto and billing project, this tool can seriously level up your marketing. See you in the next video. So don't forget to join the WeryAI. All the things are also in the description, so don't forget to check them out and explore the WeryAI today. Let's go. Goodbye. Take care.